Hello witches, wizards and those who are yet to receive their Hogwarts letters. Welcome to my Harry Potter kitchen. This is the YouTube series where I'm baking my way through the Harry Potter books, making a recipe for all the food and drink featured inside. If you missed last week's recipe for our two-tone strawberry, jelly and mousse dessert, then check out the link down below to catch up. But it's Magic Monday, so let's see what's up next. There is so much more food left to come in my Harry Potter kitchen, so if you don't want to miss a recipe, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you get an alert every Monday when there is a brand new recipe. Speaking of which, let's get back to the book. So we're almost at the end of our Great Hall Feast dessert section, so let's see what's coming next. A moment later, the puddings appeared. Blocks of ice cream in every flavour you could think of, apple pies, treacle tarts, chocolate eclairs and jam donuts. Trifle, strawberries, jelly, rice puddings. This one's gonna be rice baby. For this recipe, you will need 100 grams of pudding rice, 50 grams of golden caster sugar, a quarter teaspoon of salt, 400 milliliters of milk, 300 milliliters of double cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 sticks of cinnamon. You can also add some optional toppings such as strawberry jam, chocolate sauce, or golden syrup. Rice pudding is a classic dessert which is very popular in British schools, but you can also have it at home. Usually people have it out of a can or a tub, but it is so easy to make yourselves and it tastes so much better than anything you can buy in the shop. It's a great recipe because you can prepare everything at once in about 5 minutes and you leave it in the oven and go about your day, and when you come back you will have the most sweet smell filling your kitchen and you will definitely want to finish it all in one sitting. This is how it's done. First things first, we need to wash our rice, and this is an important step to remove any excess starch. This will make sure that our rice pudding is nice and creamy and not too stodgy. Rinse it in cold water until the water starts to run clear, and then sieve to remove any excess water. You then want to add your rice into a bowl with your sugar and your salt, and then pour over your milk and your cream. Add in your vanilla extract too, and then give it a good mix to make sure it's well combined. At this point, you want to transfer it into an oven-proof bowl, and I'm using a steam pudding mold as it's a great size for this recipe. Add in your cinnamon sticks, and then you want to cover your rice pudding with some foil. And it really is as easy as that. All you need to do is transfer it onto a baking tray and pop it into the oven at 180 degrees for 1 hour. After the first hour, you want to take it out of the oven, remove the foil and give it a good stir. This is just to make sure that the rice doesn't all clump together at the bottom. Place the foil back on top and then it's into the oven again for another hour. This really is a super simple recipe, so it's a surprise that people don't make it as often as they can. I know it is quite an indulgent dessert, but having it as a treat once, maybe twice a week isn't such a bad thing. Now the final step is going to really help you personalize it to your taste, which means you can get the right consistency and also top it with any flavorings of your choice. Once the rice pudding is fully cooked, you want to take it out of the oven and remove your foil again. As you can see, all the rice has fluffed up and absorbed most of the milk and cream. Remove your cinnamon sticks, and then it's time to get yourself some hot milk and then stir it through the rice pudding to get the right consistency. I prefer mine to be thick but still pourable so it's nice and smooth when you tuck in. Once it's ready, all you need to do is pour it into your bowls, or if you want to get a little bit fancy, you can serve it in glasses too. And finally, you can decorate with the toppings of your choice. You can go for chocolate sauce, golden syrup, but I prefer mine with some strawberry jam. All I've done is place mine into a disposable piping bag made of baking paper and then piped on my signature lightning bolts. And it's as easy as that. Sugar, spice, and everything rice, these Harry Potter inspired rice puddings are ready to serve. So there you go. If you've never tried rice pudding before, please give this one a go. It might just change your little magical lives. That's all for this recipe, but if you don't want to miss a thing from my Harry Potter kitchen, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you get an alert next Monday when there is a brand new video. I'll see you then.